There is no point welding in badly shaped panels to corroded metal with a lap joint like this. And welding in small patches and plugging lace-like metal is also pointless and won't last. The only way to restore a panel like this is to replace the corrosion with new metal, either by buying a new panel or making it. No matter what car you're restoring, it is unlikely that you will be able to buy every panel and repair section that you will need. And the panels you do buy will probably need modifying to make them fit. Bodywork Restoration Tutorial will teach you the skills and techniques you need to be able to make any panel.
Turn on the acetylene. Adjust the flame so that the smoke...
You will learn how to weld using gas, MIG and TIG. Animations and clear instructions on equipment, safety, setting up and the welding process will enable you to learn at your own pace. Watch, practice and watch again until you have mastered the skills.
And a feathery blue flame coming off of that, and you've got a carburising and carbonising flame. Now that's used for welding aluminium. If you adjust it so that both flames are exactly the same size, that's a neutral or neutralising flame, and that's used for welding mild steel.
The same age-old skills are used to carry out a roof job or make a petrol tank. Professionals use large machines to increase productivity, but the enthusiast can achieve the same high standards using nothing more than a few hand tools. While making a new steel body for a hot rod, or building a one-off Aston Martin body may be some way off for the novice, the basic processes and skills are the same as those shown in this film. All these parts were created entirely by hand and without the use of a wheeling machine. You don't need to invest thousands in machines to make panels or restore the body of your car. All you need are a few hand tools and some know-how. You can create flanges and curved flanges. It's easy to shrink and stretch flanges without a machine. And you can make any radius or swage without using any machines. Creating a curved radius is also a simple technique to learn. Professional looking swages and details can be reproduced with a minimum of equipment. Just about anything is possible using age-old skills and techniques. Bodywork Restoration Tutorial is a complete course on DVD which will enable you to make and fit repair sections or even complete panels. Everything is explained clearly, and close-up shots and animations allow you to get a far better understanding than would be possible in the workshop situation.
I'm now going to show you double curvature repair. I'm going to repair the lower section of this, which as you can see is rotted away. There's a great big chunk missing there, and it's corroded basically along there, so I shall make a new section for that. This is a piece that's actually fallen out of there, and I shall obviously have to take that into account when I make the new section.
The panel was given a wet coat of primer and no other preparation was done to it. This is the finish you can achieve using these techniques. The area at the rear of the repair will be lead loaded. There are chapters on MIG, TIG and gas welding, lead loading, wire edging, metal finishing, making patterns and much more.